Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can connect Memberspace with Webflow in 2026. This should be a very simple and easy video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. Now before we get started guys, this video is going to need some knowledge about APIs and basically coding. You will need of course knowledge about JavaScript and other languages so you can implement this Memberspace the way you want it. Now for for Memberspace, it doesn't have an application. So if you went to the dashboard and you try to look for it, it will not be there. So if you went here and just try to search for Memberspace, this is not something that you will find, as you can see. So what you should do to actually implement it is to use the Memberspace JavaScript API with the Webflow API. Now, this is something that you really need to go through and learn about. And here you can learn how you can install the code, how you can connect it, and how you can connect both the JavaScript API with the actual Webflow API, which is right here. So once you understand it and you comprehend how to implement it, you will need to actually get yourself a premium plan because you cannot add a custom code within your site without having a premium plan. Let me show you why. I'm going to open my site. This is an example. This could happen to any one of us. So let me just show you. And I'm going to click on add right through here. If you want to search for embedded code, it's going to give you this. You can't really use it. So what you need to do for that to be removed is to simply go to plans and get this plan, for example, the most cheapest one. And this one, as you can see, it gives you custom code. So it gives you the ability to add scripts and code that you apply to entire websites or individual pages. This is exactly what we need. And once you do that, the website should be connected with Memberspace, and that should be it. It's very easy, and as long as you understand the JavaScript code and you know how to code, that's going to be very simple and easy. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.